Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some tips and techniques for drawing a ribbon one perspective. If you didn't know already, yes, I am an architect student, so I'm qualified to do this. But I thought it'd be fun to drop a video like this on my channel to help all the other arch or interior design students out there. This video is going to be the first in a series of which I'll be showing you guys how I sketch different things, all related to architecture or interior design. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next one. So that little X I just drew is the vanishing point, and now I'm drawing the big window that you see in the picture around it. I'm drawing the mullions as single lines now just to make sure I space them out equally, but later on I am going to go back in and add thickness to them. From my vanishing point, I lightly draw a diagonal line to the corner of my rectangle and extend it all the way out to make the lower edge of that wall. And you want to repeat this process of extending your lines from the vanishing point to give the illusion of things getting bigger as they get closer to you. Now I'm going in and outlining the objects that are in the middle of the room. now we're shading. Shading is like my favorite part, but it's really hard to explain. But it's fun to do and it's fun to watch. So just watch and look at the technique. I'm basically just cross-hatching. That's really all I'm doing. And you want to look at the picture and see where is it darker and where is it lighter and shade accordingly. So I'm really just drawing diagonal lines that are really close together and really, really light. That's really all I'm doing. And then I'll go in cross-hatch like you see here, which is me just going the other way. And it just blends it out and it makes it look so much more neat. And you want to know where your light source is coming from. Mine is coming from the top, so that's why it's darker at the bottom and lighter at the top. Trying to add some texture to the ground because I'm not going to go in and draw every grain of sand, obviously. So I just do a few little squiggly bumps here and there, little few, like, I don't know how to describe it. They're just little irregular little squigglies that are really, really small. Okay, I'm drawing the leaves by starting at the stem and flicking my pencil up and making short strokes. Kind of like if you were drawing hairs, you know, just short little flicks because obviously the leaves get thinner towards the ends. So now I'm using a slightly, well, it's not really slightly, it's a much darker pencil and I'm basically adding more contrast by darkening up the dark areas so that the lighter areas pop. So now you see me going in and darkening up areas of the tree, and by having some dark areas and some medium dark and then some highlights will just give it more dimension and make it look more realistic. And I'm darkening up areas on the underside of the branch where there will be shadows casted or where it's facing away from the light. So that's about it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe and drop a comment of what you want to see more of. Also follow my architect page where I post sketches like this daily. Bye.